What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about creating a Wi-Fi profile within Microsoft Intune. So let's get right into it. All right, so creating a Wi-Fi profile within Intune, super simple. So the first thing that we need to do is log into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. On your left-hand side, we are going to click on Show All. We're going to locate and click on Microsoft Intune. Boom. Now, once you're here, we're going to click on devices. So click on devices on the left hand side. And within here, we're going to click on Windows underneath by platform. And underneath manage devices, we're going to click on configuration. Now, within configuration, we're going to click on create. It's going to give you a nice little drop down. We're going to click on new policy. As soon as you do that, it's going to give you a side menu. For the platform, we're going to click on the drop down and select Windows 10 and later. For the profile type, we're going to click on the drop down and we're going to select templates. Now, for the template, we are going to search the following: Wi-Fi. Pretty simple, right? That's what we want. We're going to select Wi-Fi. At the very bottom, we're going to click on create. Now, give it a name. This is the name that I provided. Super simple. Uh, we're going to click on next. Now for the configuration settings, we have a drop down. So we are going to click on it and we have two settings. Now for this video, we are going to focus on basic. I'm not going to talk about enterprise. If you do want me to touch base on the enterprise section here, let me know at the comment section and I will create an additional video for you guys. So we are going to select basic. This is what the basic will provide. I'm going to enter the following. I'm going to provide my SSID, going to give the connection a name. I'm going to say yes to connect automatically when in range. I'm also going to say yes to connect to the network even when it is not being broadcast. I'm also going to configure my security type and also provide my pre-shared key. Now, this is a dummy connection. This is not a real connection. I would definitely never use that type of password, and you should not use that type of password as well. But once you provide all that information, click on next. It's time for us to assign our Wi-Fi profile, and I'm going to click on add groups. I'm going to select my group. I'm going to click on select, and let's click on next. I'm going to leave it as is. I'm going to click on next. A nice little review, and we are going to click on create. On the upper right hand side, it is going to say profile created successfully, which is great. Give it some time, and there goes our profile. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.